So guys, we are back in another problem called remove duplicates from a sorted array, and this is the second version of the first. The first one is just to remove the duplicates from a sorted array, and there should be a unique in the output, and we need to return the count in the output array. This is the additional problem to that, where at most we can keep two elements. So given an array of sorted order, remove some duplicates in place in the same array we need to do, and such that each unit element appears at most twice. So we can allow an element to be present two times into the array, and the relative order should be kept the same. All the condition as well as the previous example, and return we need to return the k, that is the count of the element into the output array. So for this, instead of three ones, they have put two ones and then double two and then three, and the overall element is five. So we need to return five. Similarly to this, two zeros are acceptable. Then there are four ones, so we need to reduce them to two, and then two, and then three. So count is seven. So we need to return the seven. So a little bit similar to the previous one, just as a little change. Cool. So first we need to extract the length. So identity length to nums dot length. Just like we did into the previous one. Then there will be a counter variable for storing the position. That will store the count as well. Like we will return this only at last. And then another counter variable. Then we just need to loop throughout this length. At last that would be I plus plus, and then there will be just a condition, a simple condition, that if uh, I does less than length minus 2, and your nums of I equals to nums of I plus 2. So basically we are just checking if the current element is equal to the element at the index I plus 2. If that is the case, then skip this element because it is repeated more than twice. So this is just for a check, and since we are executing I plus 2, we need to do this check as well, just because prevention it to running out of one index. And if this is the case, then we just need to continue, or just put nums of j equals to nums of I. Just shift it, and obviously j plus plus if you are doing this. And at last, you just need to return j. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so we are missing something. I think we are missing here j. I learn from that if is less than length minus 2 and length of I, then we need to continue. And then nums of j equals to nums of I, and then we did j plus plus. This is I plus plus, we return j. Okay, so I think let's check from like length equals to num dot length, j equals to 0. Then we ran a loop from I equals to 1 to length, and then inside that we did I plus plus. Then there is condition if I equals to length minus 2, and nums of I equals to nums of I plus 2. Then we just did continue. Okay, so we forgot here I plus plus before the continue. That's eventually the difference between a while and a for loop. So if it was a for loop, then it was fine. Let's check another time. Yeah, this is accepted. Let's test here. Cool. Uh, all the test cases passed. Let's check the details. Yes, cool.